Yo, got my first order of the day. This one's gonna be for IHOP. $14 and some change, going just under 6 miles. It might be early enough in the morning to where it's not super busy yet, and it might be ready.
Have a good day.
You too. A little bit of a wait there, but I think they were just bagging it up as I walked in, so not too bad. Just got my next order. This one's gonna be for Jack in the Box. $8 and some change, going 4 miles. Surely this lobby's open, right? Of course not. Next order up, we've got a Sherry's. This one's $8.25, going 4 miles. This one might be ready. It's not a lot of food. Thank you. Thank you.
I know, tongue twisters, huh?
Right. I know this is gonna be a dumb idea, but let's be dumb. Just got this Wendy's order. It's gonna be $12, going 5 miles.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's. Go ahead when you're ready.
Yeah, I've just got an Uber Eats pickup for...
For who?
It's gonna be a few minutes. Wait. Gonna have you to pull for.
Sure.
By the line right there.
I knew it was gonna be a dumb order as soon as I took it. Seriously though, what is up with Wendy's? Why is it always something? I am just about to pull into there, so might as well take the order. This is a Chick-fil-A, $7, going 2.5 miles. Thank you. You too. They really got a cookies and cream milkshake at 8 in the morning. Who am I kidding? I've done the same thing. Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $7, going 2.5 miles. Ooh, shop and deliver for alcohol, $18.25, going 6.5 miles, 4 items. Yes, I'll take that.
Come on. Can you grab her? No, 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 no. I'm trying. She's too fast. Sorry.
What the? Total ended up being $21.25. Huge hidden tip on that one. Nice. Just got my next order. This one's gonna be for a place called Go Puff. I'm not sure where this is or what it is. This is $8, going 4 miles. Why did it take me to the back parking lot of a business? That doesn't seem right. The instructions are telling me to actually go to the back parking lot near the dumpster and push a button. Then the workers are gonna let me in. I don't know about this one.
Which order do you have? Oh, then that one is this one.
This alarm will sound, so hopefully it doesn't. Very strange, but we got it. Asking for a picture for some reason, but you're right there, so I'm not sure. Next order up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one is $9, going just under 5 miles.
Okay, that's fair. Hello. Thank you.
Next up, we've got a Popeyes. This one is $8, going 2 miles. Never mind, we're doing this one instead. Shop and deliver for alcohol, $12.25, going 4 miles, 2 items. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. All right, well, it's slowing down a little bit, so I think I'll just take that opportunity to call it for the day. Current time is 11:07. Current total is 102, and I still have 1 Uber tip yet to come in, so probably less than 110. Anyways, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.